Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Nana Mutmainah, and today I'm going to share you about what I've learned from the 3 different podcasts that I listened to in our extensive listening class. So in this presentation, I will talk about the 3 different podcasts. The first one is word of mouth. The second one is the analysis, and the last one is business daily. And then I'll summarize the main ideas, and I will explain about what I learned from each of them. Also, this presentation is a reflection of my listening journey throughout my class. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, the first podcast that I listened to was Word of Mouth. The title of the episode is When People Get Your Name Wrong. And then basically the main theme of the podcast is about why personal name are often mispronounced or misspelled by someone, and what impact that has on people. So one of the key points discussed was the emotional effect of having your name repeatedly said incorrectly by someone. And then especially for those who has unique or non-English names. And then the speakers also explain that getting someone's name right is not just about polite, but also it is a sign of respect and recognition their identity. And then I found it so interesting that even the small mistakes with names can make people feel excluded. So from this episode, I learned about the importance of making an effort to pronounce names correctly, which helps create a more inclusive environment. So this podcast also helped me to improve my listening skills by exposing me to natural conversation and vocabulary about language and identity itself. And then the podcast number 2. The second podcast that I chose was the analysis. The episode I listened to was titled "How Babies Learn About Language," and generally this podcast it focuses on the fascinating process of language acquisition in young learner or young children. Some of the arguments presented that we're about how babies start by bubbling and then gradually learn to segment speech. So after that, they can understand the grammar and connect the words. And also, the mistake surprised to learn that baby use cues like stressed syllables to identify the words. And then the mistakes such as saying nana instead of mama or nana instead of banana are a normal part of learning. And this episode helped me to understand more about the cognitive challenges to children when they face learning language, and it also challenged to me to listen carefully to different accents and expert explanation of the podcast. Through this podcast, I practice listening to detailed discussion, to detailed conversation, and I learn to take better notes while listening. Alright. And then we we are getting moved to podcast number 3. The third podcast I listened to was Business Daily. So the episode was titled "Did Global How did global trade start? Trade start?" And this podcast, it discussed the origins and evolutions of global trade from ancient times to the present. One of the key points or one of the key takeaways from the episode that uh, was that trade has always been both a source of source of prosperity and controversy, and with debates about protectionism and opens continuing today. And I found it so valuable because it gave me insight into how historical trade routes like the Silk Road shaped the modern world, and how current trade policies still affect our lives. So, this episode is engaging and interesting for me. It kind of helped me to improve my ability to follow fast-paced speech and understand about business-related vocabulary. And listening to this podcast is kind of content that made me more confident in dealing with professional topics in English, I guess. So, in conclusion, that I listening to this 3 podcasts has improved by both of my listening skills and also my critical thinking. I have become more confident in understanding different accents, by understanding so many vocabularies and complex ideas in English. And also this course taught me about how to enjoy listening to English content and learn from it actively. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope we can find it informative. Maybe that's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.